In this video, we will solve a question on probability. The question is, 5 cards are drawn successively from a well-shuffled pack of 52 cards with replacement. Determine the probability of getting 3 spade cards. Okay. So, how do we solve this question? So, let us suppose, and let me write it here. Let X be the number of spade cards among the 5 cards drawn. Okay, we say X be the number of spade cards. Number of spade cards, let me write it here, among the 5 cards drawn. The cards that we draw, let us suppose X are the number of spade cards among them. Okay. Since cards are drawn with the replacement, so the question is with replacement. So since cards are drawn with replacement, the trials are Bernoulli trials in this case. Okay, so we have the, and let me write it here, since the cards are drawn with replacement, the trials are Bernoulli trials. Okay, Bernoulli, Bernoulli trials. Okay, now we know that in a well shuffled pack of 52 cards, there are 13 spade cards. Okay, so total number of cards in the 52 deck of cards, we have only 13 spades. Okay, so we have 13 spades out of 52 cards. Okay, therefore probability of getting a spade card is equal to the number of spade cards, that is 13, divided by total number of cards, which is 52, which is equal to 1/4. Similarly, probability of not getting a spade is equal to 1 minus the probability of getting spade. So Q will be equal to 1 minus the probability of getting spade is 1/4. So Q is equal to 3/4. We need these two results because we have the Bernoulli trials here. Okay, so in this case X has Bernoulli distribution. Okay, and let me write it here. So in this case X has Bernoulli distribution with the number of cards. So we have n is equal to 5 here, and probability of getting a spade is 1/4, which we showed here. Okay, now probability of X is equal to small x, means that is, which implies probability of X is equal to 5, that is, or rather let me write it here. So X is equal to 1, 2 up to n, or let me first write the Bernoulli distribution here. So our probability of X is equal to small x, and we know X is from 0 to n, will be equal to n c x q raised power n minus x times p raised power x. This is the Bernoulli distribution formula. NCX means the combination of getting n spades from x spades from n cards. Okay, Q denotes the probability of not getting a spade, P denotes the probability of getting a spade. So here we have n is 5, so can we write 5 C since we are being told that we need to get 3 spade cards, so here we have 3. Q raised power 5 minus 3, P raised power 3, which implies we get, so we can write it as 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial, then we have 5 factorial minus 3 factorial, which is 2 factorial. Okay, Q is 3 upon 4, 3 upon 4, so 5 minus 3 is 2, and P is 1 upon 4 cube. Solving further, that means probability, okay, here we have probability of x is equal to 3, okay, and here x is equal to 0, 1, and so on up to n. So probability of getting 3 spades will be equal to, so can we write it like this, 5 into 4 into factorial 3, factorial 3 factorial divided by, then we have 3 factorial and times 2 factorial. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, so 9 upon 16 into 1 upon 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64, which is equal to, so 3 factorial gets cancelled, we get 5 into 4 divided by, so 2 factorial is 2 into 1, then we have 9 upon 16 into 1 upon 64, which is equal to 5 4s are 20 upon 2 into 9 upon 16 into 1 upon 64. So here it is 10, then we get 5, here we get 32, so 5 9s are 45 divided by, we have 16 into 32, so 32 into 16 is equal to 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, again 19, then we have 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, so we have 2, now this is ka 3 4 512, okay, so we get 512. So probability of getting 3 spades, okay, will be equal to 45 upon 512. I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.